Let's begin. This video will introduce the electric multi-circuit metering system. This is our voltage module V10. These are our small current metering modules M10, M20, M30, and M40. This is our large current metering module, and this is our I/O module. Let's start by looking at the voltage module. At the top of our voltage module, there are two ports, one for power supply and one for voltage sampling. When wiring, you must connect the voltage sampling port of the voltage sampling module. This is because this port provides the metering voltage reference for the subsequent submodules. Then, at the bottom of our DM module, you can see we have an RS485 port and an RG12 port. When wiring the 485 port, be sure to pay attention to the positions of A and B. Do not connect them incorrectly. Then for the entire Enertrek series, the power supply and data transmission for the subsequent submodules are all handled through the RG12 cable. The DC-PLC protocol allows you to directly plug the Quick Connect cable into the V10 module. This way, both the power supply and data transmission for the subsequent submodules are achieved through the Quick Connect cable. Next, let me introduce our small current metering module. Our small current metering modules include M10, M20, M30, and M40. On the top of the small current metering modules, you can see a yellow latch. This latch serves two purposes. The first is as a temperature sampling port. When we clamp the power wire here, it can perform temperature sampling, which ensures the safe operation of our power system. At the same time, it also helps to securely clamp the wire in place. When it comes to our circuit breaker selection, we have different types of circuit breakers. The video shows 2P and 4P circuit breakers. When we use the small current metering module, our 2P circuit breaker can be paired with either a single phase or 2P M10 and M20 small current metering module. For our 4-pole circuit breakers, we can choose our M30 or M40 metering modules. The advantage of this is that a single 4P circuit breaker only needs one module. This allows for the metering of all three phases, A, B, and C. It measures the parameters of nuclear power. One module, one measurement. Next, let me introduce our high current modules. Our high current modules come in three types, E10, E31, and our E21. Our E10 module uses RG45 Quick Connect wiring, which is also a Quick Connect method, and connects to an external CT sensor. This way, we can clamp it onto our cables to perform data sampling and metering. Our E31 module uses a screw coil method, which can also be unscrewed and then clamped onto our cables. This allows for sampling and metering. We also have our 121 module, which uses this larger open-type sensor for metering. The difference between our E10 and the E21/E31 is that the E10 only measures some basic parameters, mainly large currents, while the E31 and E21 can measure virtual values, maximum values, harmonics, and many other electrical parameters. Next, let me introduce our I/O module. As you can see below, our I/O module has 4 input ports and 2 output ports, which can be configured and selected according to your specific needs.